Okay, girls, today we will use expanded form to find the multiplication. Okay, so today we will learn how to multiply by using expanded form. Okay, so please open your books on page 93 to start together and to learn how can you use expanded form to multiply a multi-digit number by one digit number. So our lesson today very easy. So today we will learn how I will multiply one digit number with multi-digit number by using the expanded form. And you remember we learned how to write any number in expanded form. So like this number 143. 143. If I want to write it in expanded form, I have to write each number or each digit by its value, right? According to its position here. So if the number in the ones digit, as we learn, the value of this number will be the same number. And if the number in the tens digit, the value of this number will be the number multiply 10, right? And if the number in hundreds digit, so the value of this number will be the number multiply 100 or 100. Okay? So today we will multiply 5 by 143 by using the expanded form. So let's here. First, I will write this number 143 in expanded form. So first thing, I will write the number in hundreds digit. 1 multiply 100 equals what? 100, right? 1 multiply 100 equals 100. You can share with me on the chat. Okay? Plus 4 in the tens digit. So to find the value of this 4, I will multiply 4 with 10. 4 in the tens digit. So I will multiply the 4 with 10 to find the value of this number. That means 4 multiply 10 equals what? 4 multiply 10 equals 40. Thank you, girls. That's right. Now look, 3 in the ones digit, and I told you the number in the tens digit, the value of this number equals the same number. That means this will be 3. So what I did here, I write here the number in the expanded form. So I will write 143 in the expanded form according to the position for each number. Now, what I have to do to multiply the number according to the expanded form, I will multiply the 5 with each number of those. Okay? So by using the expanded form, I will multiply 5 first with the first number in hundreds digit. Then I will multiply the 5 with the second number in the tens digit. Then I will multiply 5 with the third number in the ones digit. Okay? So let's multiply here the first number. Now 5 multiply 100. So I will multiply first 5 with 100. Okay? First thing. Then I will put it between parentheses. Plus I will multiply 5 with 40. Okay? And put it between parentheses. So I will multiply the 5. Okay, I will write it again for you. I will multiply the 5 with 40. Okay? Then Then what I have to do, then I will multiply the 5 with the number in the ones digit, which is here 3. So I will multiply 5 with 3. Okay? So that's what I do to find the answer for this multiplication. So first thing, if I multiply the number with 100, 5 multiply 100, girls. What I have to do, I told you, if you want to multiply any number with 100 number, I will multiply the number with 1 and put 2 zeros next to the answer. So that's mean 5 multiply 1 equals what? 5 multiply 1 equals what? Equals 5. Okay? And put 2 zeros next to the answer, so it will be 500. Okay? This is the first number. Then 5 multiply 40. So I will find here the multiplication between the number and tens digit. 5 multiply 40. When I want to multiply any number with tens number, I will multiply 5 with 4 and put 0 next to the answer. 5 multiply 4 equals what? 5 multiply 4 equals 20, right? 5 multiply 4 equals 20, as we said in the pattern, girls. Then I will put 1 0 next to the answer, so it will be 200. Okay? So it will be 200. Now, last thing, I will multiply this 5 with 3. Okay? 5 multiply 3 equals 15, right? So I will write 15. This is the third step. Last step, what I have to do, I have to add all answers. So to add all answers, as we learned last year, I have to order the numbers under each other like this vertically. Okay? Then I will add 0 plus 0 equals 0, plus 5 equals 5. So the first number right here is 5. Now, 0 plus 0 equals 0, plus 1 equals 1. Now, hundredths digit, 5 plus 2, put 5 in my mind and 2 on my fingers, so the answer will be what? Will be 7. This is how I will multiply a number by multi-digit number by using expanded form. I will repeat again, please focus with me. I will repeat again how I will multiply one digit number with multi-digit number by using the expanded form. First thing, I will write the multi-digit number by using expanded form. How I will do that? 143. 143. How I will write it in expanded form? First, the number in ones digit, the value of the number, equals the same number. That's mean the value of the number equals the same number. 3. So, what about the tenth digit? The value of the number in the tenth digit equals the number multiplied 10. So that's mean 4 multiplied 10 equals 40. So I will write the number in the tenth digit plus 40. Now, the number in hundredths digit, to write the value of the number, I will multiply the number with 100. That's mean 1 multiply 100 equals 100. So this is the expanded form for this number. Put it between parentheses and multiply it with what? With 5, one-digit number. Then I will take this number and multiply it by each digit right here. So I will multiply it with the hundreds number and put it between parentheses. Then I will multiply it with tens number and put it between parentheses. Then I will multiply it with ones number and put it between parentheses. Okay? After that, I will find the value of each multiplication. I will find the value of each multiplication. So first thing, I will find the value of hundreds here. Okay? So I will multiply 5 with 100. I told you have to multiply 5 with 1 and put 2 zeros next to the answer, so it will be 500. Then 5 multiply 40 equals 200. And 5 multiply 3 equals 15. After that, I will add all answers, 500 plus 200 plus 15. So I will find the last thing, the answer for this multiplication is 715. Okay? So if you finish this page, please type 1 in the chat box, girls. Okay, thank you. If you have any question, please, you can write it in the chat box. Write your question in the chat box if you have any question. No questions? Okay. Now I will move to page 94. If you have any question, Bisan, Zain, Rimas, type it in the chat box. And Noura. Now we will move to number or page 40 or 94. 94. Open page 94. Now look at this example. I will use the place or the expanded form to find here the answer. So let's use the expanded form. Okay. In expanded form, I will... Okay, Noura, you can follow me. Now you will understand. Okay, dear? Follow this example, please. Now, to find the multiplication right here, I have to write the multi-digit number in expanded form. Okay? So this is page 94. Now, how I will write the number in expanded form? How? I have to write each number or each digit in its value according to its position. So I have to write the value of each number. Okay? So what I have to do, first I will start with this number, 1250. So I will start with the 1 in thousands digit. To find the value of this number, 1 multiply what? 1 multiply 1000. Look, the number in thousands digit. So I have to multiply the number with 1000. Excellent, Zain. So the value is 1000. Okay? Now, 2 in hundreds digit. To find the value of the number, I have to multiply 2 with 100. 2 multiply 100 equals what? Equals 200. Excellent. Thank you, Zena. Thank you, Sama. Thank you, Zain. Excellent. So it will be 200. Okay. Now I will move to the 5. 5 in tens digit. To find the value, I have to multiply 5 with 10. So 5 multiply 10 equals what? Equals 50. That's right, girls. Excellent. Thank you, Zain, Sana, Lana, Riyam. Thank you. So equals 50. Now, in the ones digit, what I have right here in the ones digit, I have 0. And I told you in the last lesson, when we said about the forms, expanded form, I told you if the digit equals 0, That's mean the value of the digit will be 0. So no need here to write it in the expanded form. So I will not write it in the expanded form. Now I will start the multiplication. I will multiply this 3 with each digit right here. So first thing, I will multiply it with 1000. Then I will multiply 3 with 200. Then I will multiply 3 with 50. Okay? And put each number between parentheses. So first thing, I will multiply 3 by 1000 and put it between parentheses like this. Okay? Plus, I will multiply the 3 and multiply it with the hundredths digit, which is here 200. Excellent, girls. Thank you. So I will multiply 3 with 200. Okay? Then I will take this 3 and multiply it with the tens number. So I will multiply 3 with 50. Then I will find the answers. Let's find the answers right here. Okay, 3 multiply 1000. If you want to multiply 3 with 1000, you have to multiply 3 with 1 and put 3 zeros next to the answer. So it will be what? 3000. 1 multiply 3 equals 1 and put 3 zeros like this. So it will be 3000. Now, plus, I want to multiply what? 3 with the hundred number. 3 multiply 200. I will multiply 3 with 2 and put 2 zeros next to the answer. 3 multiply 2 equals 6. And put 2 zeros next to the answer, so it will be 600. Excellent, Zain. That's right. Excellent, Lana. Plus, I will multiply 3 with 50. Excellent, Kayan. I will multiply 3 with 5 and put 1 0 next to the answer. 3 multiply 5 equals what? Equals 15. And put 1 0 next to the answer, so it will be 150. Okay? Now, to find the final answer, I have to add all those answers. So let's add the answers together. I will use this grid to order the numbers. So I will order the numbers here, right here, and find the addition. So I write the digit like this in each square. Then 600, I will write it, order the digits, please. Okay, you understand it, Noura? Excellent. Now, I will order 150. So I will put 0, 5, and 1. Now let's add. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. Now 0 plus 0 equals 0 plus 5 equals 5. So I will write it here. Now 0 plus 6 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. So I will write 7. I will put a comma here, and there is no thousand, so I will write the 3. So what is the final answer? The final answer is 3,750. Excellent, girls. Thank you. Okay, girls. Now, if you finish this page or this example, type 1 in the chat box. If you have any question about this example, type it also in the chat box, please. Yes, dear. Okay, you finish, all of you? Okay, Kinda, if you have a question, please type it in the chat box. Type the question in the chat box, please. because we will move to exercise number 1. Okay, Lana, you said you don't understand the example of multiplying the numbers together. You mean this step, Lana? This step, how I will multiply the numbers together? This step, right? The second one? This one? Okay. Yes, I will repeat it for you, Lana. How I will multiply 3 with this number in expanded form? Okay, I will write the number in expanded form. This is the first step. The second step, I will multiply this number by each digit. So first thing, I will take this 3 and multiply it with 1000 number or 1000 digit and put it between parentheses, okay? This is the way or the strategy that I will use it. Plus, I will take this 3 and multiply it with 100 number and put it between parentheses like this, okay? And I will multiply 3 with tens number and put it between parentheses. So I will multiply it by each digit here in the expanded form. So when you want to multiply 3 with 1000 number, you have to multiply 3 with 1 and put 3 zeros next to the answer. Then you will multiply 3 with 200, so you have to multiply 3 with 2, the answer is 6, and put 2 zeros next to the answer. Then with a tens number, I will multiply 3 with 50, and it will be 15, and put 1 0 next to the answer. Last step, I have to add all those numbers like this vertically. I will order the numbers and add it and find the final answer, okay? Now let's move to example 1, exercise 1 here in the same page. And I want to find the multiplication between this number and multi-digit number. Let's find it together. Okay, now I want to multiply 4 with 213. 213. So I have to write the 213 as an expanded form. So first thing, to write it, 4 multiply 213, I will write 4 right here and multiply it by the expanded form for this number. So let's write the expanded form. First I will start with the 100 number. Look, I have 2 in 100 number. So the value of this number equals what? Equals 200. 2 multiply 100 equals 200. Thank you, girls. Thank you, Noura. Thank you, Zena. Excellent. Lara, if you have a question, please type it in the chat box. So 2 multiply 100. So it will be 200. Now, what about the 1? 1 in the tens digit. 1 in the tens digit. The value of this number will be what? 1 multiply 10. That means it will be a 10 plus 10. Now, number 3 in the ones digit. So the value of this number will be what? Will be the same number, which is 3 right here. So it will be 3. Excellent, girls. Thank you all. Now, I will take the 4 and multiply it by each digit. So I will first multiply 4 with the 100 number, which is here 200. So I will multiply the 4 with 200. Okay? Then I will take the 4 and multiply it with the tens number, which is here the 10. So it will be 4 multiply 10. Okay? Now I will take this 4 and multiply it with the ones number. So I will multiply 4 with 3. Let's find the answer. Now 4 multiply 200. 4 multiply 200 equals what? I will multiply with 4 with 2. So it will be what? 8. Where are you, girls? Excellent, Lana. So it will be 8. I write it again for you. It will be 8. And put 2 zeros next to the number, so it will be 800. Excellent, girls. So it will be 800. Now I will multiply 4 with 10. So I will multiply 4 with 1 and put 1 0 next to the answer, so it will be 40. Excellent, girls. Thank you all. Noura, Zena, Rimas, Kayan, Lana, thank you. Now, so it will be 40. Thank you, Rina. Thank you, Bisan. Okay, now 4 multiply 3. What is the answer? 4 multiply 3 equals what? Equals 12. That's right. No, Lana, equals 12, dear. Now I will add all answers. So I will write it here. I will use this, the vertical strategy, to find the answer. So let's order. First thing, I have 800. So I will write 8 in 100 digit. And then I have 40. So I will order the ones digit and tens digit. Then I have 12. So I will write it here. Okay. Then I will find the answer. Let's find the answer here. Now 0 plus 0 equals 0 plus 2 equals 2. Thank you, Duha. Your answer is correct. Now 0 plus 4 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. Thank you, Zaina, also, and Noura. Noura, check your answer again. Thank you, Zain. So this is 5. Thank you, Kinda. There is no hundreds right here. So what I have to do, I have to write 8. Okay? Only 8. So what is the final answer? 852. Okay? This is the final answer. Now let's find number 2. Number 2, I want to multiply 4 with 55 by using expanded form. So first thing what I have to do, I have to write 59, sorry, not 55, 59 in expanded form. So let's write it in expanded form. First thing, I will write 4, multiply, and open parentheses to write the expanded form for this number. Okay? So first thing, I have a tens digits right here, just tens and ones. So the 5 in the tens digit equals what? The value of this 5 equals 5 multiply 10, which is what? 50, right? Now 9 in ones digit, the value of the 9 equals 9, the same number, right? Then what I have to do, I have to multiply this 4 with each digit. So I will multiply 4 with, okay, I will write it again for you. I will multiply 4 with what? With 50. The first or the tens digit. And then put it between parentheses. Okay, plus I will multiply the 4 with 9. Okay? Yes, 4 multiply 50 equals what? 4 multiply 50 equals what? I will multiply 4 with the 5 and put 1 0 next to the answer. So it will be 4 multiply 5 equals 20. Put 1 0, it will be what? 200. Plus 4 multiply 9 equals what? 4 multiply 9 equals 36, girls. Please multiplication table. Now, to find the final answer, what I have to do, I have to add 200 with 36. Let's find it right here. I will find it here in white paper. I can find the answer. If you put like this, 200 and 36, I think very easy for you, and add it together. So the answer will be, will be 6, will be 3, and will be 2. So the final answer right here, it will be what? 236. This is the final answer for this multiplication. Now let's find number 3. Number 3. So I will multiply 3 with each digit. So I will multiply 3 with, I will open a parenthesis and write each digit right here. Okay? Let's write it. First number, I will multiply 3 with 2 in hundredths digit. So 2 in hundredths digit, the value of this number will be what? 2 multiply 100. That's mean will be 200, right? It will be 200. Okay, I will write it again for you. This one will be 200. Now, 8 in tens digit. So the value of this number will be what? It will be 8 multiply 10. That's mean what? 80, right? Now, the last one. I want the value of this number. Excellent, Bisan. The value of 8 in ones digit equals 8, right? Equals 8. So now I will multiply this 3 with each digit. So first thing, I will multiply 3 with 200. Okay? So, and put it between parentheses like this. So I will multiply 3 with 200. Then I will take this 3 and multiply it with tens number. So I will multiply 3 with 80 and put it between parentheses. Okay? Now I will multiply 3 with 8. So I will multiply 3 with the ones number and put it between parentheses. Now, I will find the answer for each multiplication. First thing, 3 multiply 200. I will multiply 3 with 2 equals what? Equals 6. And put 2 zeros next to the answer, so it will be 600 plus I will multiply 3 with 80. Okay, 3 multiply 8 equals 24, right? 3 multiply 8 equals 24. And put 1 0 next to the answer, so it will be 240. Okay, this is the second number. Now, the last one. 3 multiply 8 equals what? Equals 24. Now, to find the final answer, what I have to do, I have to add the numbers under each other. Okay, I will add the numbers under vertically. So I will write the numbers 600. Okay, then I will write the 200 and I write it again. Okay, I will use the pen. 260 or 40 and 24. Add the numbers. 0 plus 0 equals 0 plus 4 equals 4. Now 0 plus 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8. So the final answer is 800 64. This is the final answer. Okay, so this is our lesson today, girls. I hope that you understand it very well. Thank you very much.